Hey there, Von Bullard here again. How to make your WordPress blog more Google friendly. Are you worried that your WordPress is not having a good relationship with Google? Well, maybe you need to spice up that relationship and get a little friendlier with Google. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the WordPress administration pages. This is done by typing in the URL of your blog followed by /wp-admin. You'll be prompted for your administrative username and password. Type that in and press the login button. So let's talk about a few things about how to make your site friendlier. While Google search indexing standards are constantly changing, one thing you can be sure of is that Google doesn't like being played by internet marketers trying to make a quick buck by fooling Google's search engines. With that in mind, there are a few key things that you should worry about always. Content. You've got to make sure that you have great content that is related to your site. If you are a pastry chef with a blog about donuts, don't put content related to building houses. That is, unless you're supplying Habitat for Humanity with donuts for a charity drive. And content should always be relevant, informative, and on point. Timely information. Information has to be timely as well as informative. Index friendly. You've got to get the right metadata descriptions on every page within your site. I would suggest using a plugin like Yoast's WordPress SEO plugin. It automates a ton of functions, including helping you make sure your keyword density is at an appropriate indexing level and that your use of H1 and H2 tags is in par with good indexing. Lastly, the Yoast plugin gives you insight into the use of outbound links and the readability of your pages to make sure they are reader friendly. Make sure you have a sitemap. A sitemap is a publicly available XML file that sits on your WordPress site that is regularly updated every time you publish something on your WordPress site. Google will automatically pull this file periodically and say, hey, something has changed on this server. I'm going to update my indexes. While these are not all the things you could possibly do to make your WordPress blog more Google friendly, they certainly are a great start. And that's how easy it is, folks. That was how to make your WordPress blog more Google friendly. For more info on doing other cool things with WordPress, check out my other WordPress lessons on ehow.com and check out Build Automate's innovative WordPress plugins at www.buildautomate.com.